So you know yoga is one of the best things you can do for your body, mind, and spirit. And you want to do it regularly, but you can't seem to make it stick or stay consistent. Does that sound familiar? Well, great. That's what we're going to be talking about today. I'm Mikah from Yoga with Mikah, and I'll be walking you through 3 tips to help build a yoga habit and make yoga a regular part of your daily life. Okay, let's jump right in. Number 1, know your why. You've got to know what you want and why you want it, or else you'll give up too easily. There will be times when things don't go as expected and it feels like everything is against you. And in these moments when you feel like just giving up, knowing your why and staying persistent will get you through. It can be so tempting to skip this step, but please, I beg you, don't skip it. Spend some time reflecting on your why. Why do you want to bring yoga into your life? I encourage you to dig deep. Don't stop at the surface. So if you say your why for starting yoga is to get stronger, well, ask yourself, why do you want to get stronger? And just keep digging deep until you get to the root cause of why you really want to do yoga on a regular basis. Now, if you already know your why, I invite you to put it down in the comments so we can all share and support each other. Okay, moving right along to number 2, schedule it in. Okay, actually block off the time in your calendar. So many of us don't have any problem at all keeping commitments that we make to other people, but we really struggle with keeping our own personal commitments to ourselves. And I found blocking off time, like actually blocking off the time on my calendar as a non-negotiable appointment really helps. So whatever kind of calendar system you use, whether it's Google Cal, a wall calendar, a planner, anything like that, you can make a recurring appointment or just block it off each day when you're planning on doing your yoga. And then don't let anything take priority over that. Go back to your why, your number 1, right? And remember why it's so important that you want to bring yoga into your life. Protect that time. If you don't hold strong, there will always be something else that gets in the way. And finally, number 3, dream big, but start small. A lot of times we're so excited about starting something new and making positive, healthy changes in our life. And I know this from personal experience. We're so excited that we just want to jump all in. But I encourage you to think twice about that. So yes, get excited, keep the big dream in mind, and use it as an anchor to keep going. But start small. I know that feels slightly counterintuitive and you feel like you should be using all of this energy to create excitement and motivation to just jump all in and go strong right away. But starting small and simple keeps you from feeling overwhelmed, and it also builds this confidence to keep going. When you start small, you're more likely to actually do the thing. And then you're building the belief that you are the kind of person that actually follows through and keeps the promises that you make to yourself. That confidence in yourself creates momentum. And momentum is so powerful in achieving your goals. There's so much more I could say about this, but in the spirit of number 3, starting small and simple, we'll just stop right there for today. And I promise if you take action on these 3 things, you'll be well on your way to forming a regular yoga habit, and honestly, way ahead of most other people. So let's recap quickly how to build your yoga habit. Number 1, know your why. Number 2, schedule it in. Schedule your yoga in as a non-negotiable appointment. And number 3, dream big, but start small. If you're ready to put this into action, I have a free gift for you. It's a 5-day yoga challenge called the Yoga Habit. Sign up at yogahabitchallenge.com. Completely free. You'll get 5 days of 10-minute yoga classes. We're starting small, taking my own advice here. And 5 days of habit hacks and mindset tips that will help you actually establish, it'll hold your hand as we establish yoga into your daily life. So I would love to have you join me. Again, sign up at yogahabitchallenge.com and I'll see you inside. Thank you for joining me today, and I will see you next time.